Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I finally am getting a video out. So hopefully we will see this on Friday. I believe today's Friday. Yeah, so hopefully we will see this video out on the right day. But here we are discussing today how you guys can cop the Air Jordan 1 low bleached coral. I see some slight profit on these, so I want to discuss them. I think it's a safe bet, especially in bigger sizes. So we'll just kind of go over it, get into this video, discuss the sneaker and everything about it. So again, my Instagrams, all that, as I always mention, feel free to check them down below. And if you want more content like this, I mentioned this as well, feel free to subscribe and like for more videos like this. I'll keep it very simple, like goal. I ask for it every video. Let's say actually I'm not gonna say three, I'm gonna say 267 likes on this video. I've asked for it before. Let's see if you can do it. Helps, get your boy's channel out there more. And yeah, YouTube likes when y'all drop a like on the video. So that's everything I gotta say right there. It does more than you know. And let's just kind of get started in discussing Air Jordan 1 low bleached coral. Nice sneaker. Let's get into it. Just had to deal with that real quick, but we're back here on the screen, and as you guys can see, this shoe is actually a little bit less profitable than I thought now. The retail is $130 on a Jordan 1 low, so I would probably only target bigger sizes on this one just to be safe. You could hold this sneaker too if you wanted. I think it is a nice colorway that could be higher in price by next summer, but again, with only having one pair right now, a lot of these sneakers are quick flips, and don't forget, July 2nd, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, just want to mention that too so y'all know the drop time right there. But I mean, it's a nice sneaker overall. I like how this one hits in hand. I mean, you got the Nike Air, there you go, on the tongue and on the insole of the shoe. Insoles are pink, it seems like, and then you just got kind of like this white center section and kind of, I guess, sole, kind of midsole section that kind of goes around the sneaker, and then of course an embroidered Jordan logo on the back right there, just to keep it simple. And yeah, I don't think we have any grade school pairs on these ones. Oh, we do. Okay, so we have some big kids pairs. $100 retails could not retails, but retail could be worth it. I haven't even checked grade school pairs. I'm just more focused on the adult ones at the moment. And here's kind of what material we got, kind of like this cracked kind of leather material that they've been using more often, and I believe this is suede that kind of goes around the sneaker, the pink portions. So again, that's right there by back, kind of by the heel and on the toe box, and then kind of this cracked leather that goes all around. Pebbled leather might be the correct term. I could be wrong on that, but yeah, aside from that, Jordan 1 low bleached coral, 130 retail. I don't know why they made it this expensive. They used to be much cheaper. I know that for a fact. Like I know Jordan 1 lows used to be like 110 or 120 maybe even 115. I could be wrong, but I know it used to be a lot lower than 130. But now we got these sneakers up here at 130, kind of a higher price. So just kind of understand that and expect you will be paying a bit up. So target bigger sizes just to be safe on this one. It probably won't be too hard to find a sale because I think these won't be in demand, and I think people will be trying to go for them. So yeah, again, it's a clean pair in hand. Here's like kind of like a really good in-hand photo, and you can see it hits well. It does, and it just depends on drop day, how much people want it. I don't think resale will drop too much from where it's at already right now, so we can kind of just discuss that, get that out the way. So looking at resale right now, again, some of those smaller sizes are doing hot, but really, again, I'm going for the bigger ones just because you can see like a 13 at 180, 14 at 180, size 12's up by 170, 11 and a half's at 170. You can see the sales are somewhat consistent at these prices. For an 11 and a half, that's not bad sales. Off an $130 retail, that's about $30 profit right there. So it's nothing crazy. Again, you're not going to be making a lot off this sneaker. Just kind of one, if you're like, I'm trying to make some profit today, you can make probably a quick 20, 30 bucks, maybe 40 bucks off this sneaker when it releases. So again, my resale estimation on this sneaker, and then excuse my crazy hair, I don't know what I got going on here, but my resale estimate, just look at everything it says on the screen right here. Maybe it'll drop another 10 from what it says on the screen, but I think most of these prices that you see right now is what it will maintain at. I think it will stay here, but I do think the prices will slowly decline after release day for a good amount of time, and then eventually, they'll start rising up slowly just because, the sneaker has had a lot of pairs sold off. There's less people holding it. It'll take time. This sneaker wouldn't be the type of sneaker that it probably would start rising later this year, much later this year, if at all, within the year. So just kind of understanding that it's a nice sneaker, but just kind of understand what you're getting into when you buy the shoe. It's a little bit of risk. Understand that. So a couple other things also, these two videos, I'm going to link them down below. If you guys have been here, you know what these videos are, you know what I'm talking about. This video shows you, again, how to make multiple accounts in sneakers, how to run those accounts, kind of like some tips and tricks, a couple other things you can do to hit more often with that account, and also just, again, the basics of running multiple accounts, what you kind of need to do to not get those accounts banned or temporarily banned by Nike, so you can actually enter in the drops. And then this one right here, which will also be down below, just made this like 4 or 5 days ago. This video right here shows you kind of the basics and key tips with some of like the common sneakers problems, like not being able to enter in draws your account's not logging in, how many times can you use the same phone number across accounts, same email, just how to enter in draws using different browsers. Like, there's a lot of different tips I provide in this video for common problems like that, like not being able to enter in the draw, your account not letting you log in, etc., etc. And I discuss a solution to those in this video. So if you want to check this video down below, I'd appreciate it. I worked a lot on it, and hopefully, it would be helpful, do well in the future, because I feel like it was actually a pretty decent video that I made. So a couple other things as well, aside from these things, that'll be linked down below. Also, of course, I'll be linking my guys down below at Secret Sauce right here, $60 monthly fee, and they've helped me out a lot. Of course, I've showed you guys the items they've caught me before: Mortal Kombat Arcade, Foam Runners, whatever it may be. They're great chat where you can go ahead and just ask kind of people questions. It's a variety of people, good community that's in the sneakers and different things. And actually, I want to show you guys this, just kind of pop it back right here, but here's actually some success that I had from Secret Sauce. This is just a screen recording kind of going through the chat, and again, you can see the scrolling just doesn't stop. Like, there's so many different people posting about them copying items, and it's ridiculous. There's a lot of success each day. So if you're not sure about what items to go for, like, oh, I don't know when the shock drop is, I'm not sure like what kind of sections are profitable, like where can I make my money, they actually have people that can help you with that. Like, you can ask the mods, like, yo, where's like some good sections for profit in the chat, things like that, and they usually discuss it all in their important info, so you won't miss a beat as long as you're staying tuned. So if you're interested in my guys at Secret Sauce, just go to the Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, I'm looking to get in on the success, and they should DM you back on Twitter with an invite shortly after you let them know that I sent you. Or you can follow on Instagram, follow them on Instagram down below. I wouldn't DM them there, only on Twitter. But yeah, that's really everything I got to say. And shout out to my guys here as always. A lot of success, and hopefully I've been able to show you guys that with my mentions and of them in my videos before. But a couple other things again: no raffles for the sneakers. For this sneaker, this is a sneakers app exclusive one as of right now. As I check Sneaker Freaker, it's just sneakers. There's no other sort of release for this one at the moment. So that's everything I need to say about how you guys could potentially cop the Air Jordan 1 Low Bleach Coral. It's a nice sneaker. I like it, clean design, and hopefully this one will do a little bit better than expected. Maybe it'll rise a little bit after the release. I doubt it, since the market is just in such a crap state right now. And also the fact is that the retail on these is a little bit higher than I thought, and I don't know why they did 130. I don't know, but they know the sneaker will still sell out. They don't care about resale prices. So check my Instagrams, any of that down below. Feel free to subscribe and like for more. I know I said the like goal, I think I said it was like 267. So if we could hit that, that'd be dope. If not, it's really not the end of the world. So yeah, that's everything I need to say right there. So check me out. Leave your questions and comments down below if you got any. I'm ending the screen recording. Hopefully, again, I will get this out today on the 24th. That's my goal. So I will try and do that. But I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. And hopefully I will catch you on the next video soon, maybe. Hopefully. Peace.